Dear friends, good evening. This is JK from your weekly investment channel. Today is Tuesday, March 21st, 2023. The markets are closed now. The markets continue to rally and the gains continued from yesterday. And all these in anticipation of Fed's marginal rate hike. Word in the street is plus 25 basis points hike. What do you all think? In another news, the home prices dropped slightly. However, existing home sales were up. Banks have a lot to do in terms of their financials. At this point, the gains are based on the mild to no rate hike sentiment. We have 24 hours before we can claim that. However, let's take a look at US market action today. Let's take a look at S&P 500 action today. This is intraday chart. I mean, this is a daily chart. We about a year, so it's like a 1 year chart. So let's look at S&P 500 action today intraday. So we have to zoom down a little bit. Look at it. This has gone up slightly above the trend line that we drew a few days ago, last month, which is a good sign. But again, this is something has to continue for a long time before we can say that it is broken the trend. And now look at intraday action. 1 day, 1 minute. I ignore this. So the markets opened, say around 9:30 at 398. Right, I think around 9:30 it opened at 398. Let's look at here. Trade. Well, it opened at 397.24. Right. So it had a barely moved like $2, right? And yeah, it went down at 395. So definitely we should see that. So opened up, gained up 10 o'clock, 399, 398, and then it dropped back to 395. And it slowly grinded up. But it's about a $4 range today. 394.5 to 399 is a $4 range. And when you compare that with your daily chart, this has never touched the prior day range. It's 390 to 393. It never touched that range. It was always above that range, which is bullish, right? Okay, that's really good action, right? Let's look at 5-day move. It's definitely good, right? From 386, 383, the lowest to the highest is about $16. It's a good range. But net, look at daily range, it is going sideways. This trend has to be broken and it has to trade above the range. Very nice. Let's look at NASDAQ actions, the same story. It has not touched the prior day range. The NASDAQ has gained up 1.3%, it's QQQ, whereas SPY 1.31%. So everybody is high on what is Fed going to say, right? It looks like a W action for me, right? It started up 314, went down like a W. So looks and bullish. Can it continue? What is the Fed going to say tomorrow? They're probably going to talk about the banks. Let's say what they're going to say and what is the reason for either pausing it or raising the rates or any of those. The net market is very bullish today. Let's look at the SOX index. SOX is also very bullish. I would say slightly bullish. So 0.07%. Let's look at SMH. Um, yeah, 0.32%, not much. Look at the top traders like AMD. Where is it? AMD is taking a breath. It is paused for a couple of days, but still it is trending higher. Right? What is the range AMD traded today? AMD traded like 97, open 99 high, 93 low, closed at 95. So people are trying to take a little bit of profit here. That's good. 95, 98, 63 is the area that it should break above and stay for a long time. Nvidia. What is Nvidia doing? The same thing. It's almost back to the highs. Say it was 108 in October. December it was 139. It is doubled, guys. You bought 100 shares. It is doubled in terms of value. Very nice. Let's look at commodities action, guys. Crude oil is about $65, $69. It's below 70. Still good for us. It's in this range. It's good before the summer driving starts. Let's look at UNG, the natural gas. Was the lowest, but it is in the $7 range. Very good. Silver, $20. Copper, $4. All right. So commodities is looking good. No issues. Gold is the gold futures are pretty much giving up some of the gains in the last few days, but still it is above $1,900. Let's look at some bonds. I like LQD. It's flat. TLT, flat. HYG, flat. Not much. So net markets had a gain in some areas, but seems like SPY is breaking the trend. But can it break above? Stay there for a long time? You have to wait and see. And now, what is Tesla doing here? Tesla, TSLA, right? Tesla had a very good gain from $100 to 197. It's a big run. Can it stay in these levels? Let's wait and see, guys. I think Tesla had a huge run, very huge run. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in another video. Until then, cheers. Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Cheers.